Dashi Delek, Tibetan Zodiac Peak Signs. So let's check your current energy and then what are you attracting for next 7 days. So currently you're being very generous, okay, you're kind, generous, you're being helpful to the people, to the needy people, and whenever you need help, some people are there to help you in your life. Like your energy looks very, very, very positive, okay. So let me know in the comment section if this resonating with you. And for the next 7 days, now you have to keep some words to yourself as a guidance, okay. If you say whatever you feel, then you're going to have some disagreement with your relatives or friends or in a relationship, okay. So some words, like some, if, especially if the word is going to be harsh, then keep it with yourself and be patient and be polite as much as possible in your relationship. So that's coming as a guidance. And another is like you're going to be very stable with your emotionals, okay, stable and peace, and you're very comfortable with your emotions, whatever the emotion is, okay. You're looking strong and stable. So if you are single and looking for a relationship, then you are going to meet the perfect partner for like next 7 days to 7 week, okay. You're going to meet the perfect soulmate or perfect partner. Like king and queens are coming and they are going to be looking towards each other. So you're going to be very passionate about this person and this person is going to be very passionate about you, okay. So even if you are going through some fights and disagreements in your relationship right now, the future looks very positive in your relationship, okay, with your partner. Like you guys are more understanding and more emotionally happy and emotionally supporting towards each other, okay. Emotional supports are going to be there in your relationship for the upcoming. So you have to be a little bit patient for right now, that's all. And if you're single, then somebody's coming to propose you, or if you are working towards some like social media or something, then you are going to see you're going to gain some followers, name, fame, some success, okay. You're attracting like something very proud moment for yourself. Yeah, and you're following your passions, like whatever you're passionate about. This can be about your relationship, you're passionate about a person, or you're passionate about your health, then you're improving your health, or you're passionate about something like some skill or some career, then you're going to walk towards that passion, okay, following that passion, and you're going to see some success in that passion and gaining name, fame, success as well.